What's going on, guys? Been a while. So we got the 2022 CRF250R. Just got some awesome graphics in for it. 45 Designs, my buddy over there, Nick, absolutely killed it. A little bit of chrome in it, you know, but I'm just gonna do a little time lapse and show you guys putting the graphics on and you know what it looks like before and after. So yeah, solid plastics all the way around. Moto seat, put the moto seat on last week. All right, let's go put these on. As you can see, we got the last piece, well not the last, but we got the side plate done and the fender done. Alright, so we got the front number plate done. I didn't video that one, even though it took like 2 seconds. Of course, one side always comes out better than the other. It's just how it goes with graphics, but it looks good so far. Just got to put this one on, slap this one on here, and she's pretty much done. But yeah, I'll take it outside and let you guys see it once it's done. Alright, so we just finished putting it together, and this is what the front looks like. I gotta finish putting the plate back together, and then yeah, I'll take it outside and let you guys see it. And she is finished. This thing came out awesome. 45 Design graphics, absolutely killed it. Make sure you tell them that you see the video. Let them know what you think. Some chrome letters or numbers. Came out absolutely sick. 45 Designs. There it is right there. Make sure you check them out. I'll leave a link in the description. Awesome company. Awesome guy to work with. Based in Michigan, but yep. Answer a quick little video. It's been a while, so yeah, I got an exhaust on this thing, but yeah. So if you like the video, give it a like below, subscribe if you want to see more footage, and hopefully get some more riding footage. It's been a while, so but yeah, it's a 2022 CRF 250R, and now we got the 450 factory edition or works edition inside here. So make sure you check it out, guys. Appreciate you guys for watching. Like, subscribe. See you boys later.